Hey Science 20s, it's the last video and it's a really short one. We're almost done. Hooray! Okay, secondary succession. We talked yesterday about primary succession and how that's where life moves into an area where there is no life. Today, it's secondary succession. So, what makes this different from primary succession? This is where there already was life, and life is now, for whatever reason, was removed from that area, and life comes back. So 2 or 3 good examples of this are big forest fires that come in and char everything. There was life there, and there was the right moisture and soil and blah, 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 but a fire took it out. Another good one is in like the Hawaiian Islands is a volcanic eruption. Magma rolls down a hill and takes out everything, and you've just got magma there. Another one that's really good is floods or landslides or even rock slides. So there was life and life was removed. Okay. Secondary succession on Earth happens all the time. In fact, you could probably find an instance of it happening every single day. Forest fires now, as we head into the summer, are fairly common. I'm surprised there hasn't been a really bad one. If you remember about this time last year, the sky was like a weird orange color because there were so many forest fires. Same thing with volcanic eruptions. They happen all the time. That's more common secondary succession. Okay, it's much more common. Now, what goes into secondary succession? Well, the same thing that goes into primary succession. There's something called a pioneer species. The pioneer species gets there first. And what's a pioneer species? They're hardy. They're the first to colonize a barren environment. And you might have lichens, you might have mosses. But if you have something like magma, sometimes through the wind, seeds are deposited. And magma, once it cools, may have some really rich nutrients for that to grow. And they're specialized plants that grow right in magma on Hawaii, or in Hawaii. Okay, so they break down whatever's left over so stuff can start growing again. If you have a charred ground, grasses may come back. Their roots may be deep enough to protect them. So the top may be burnt off, but they may have root systems that protect them. Okay. All right. Now, that's about it. This is a very short lesson. I'd like you guys to watch the 2 videos I have that goes with this small talk on secondary succession. Tomorrow and Thursday is time to work on any remaining assignments you're not done, and I have a very short Google quiz for your weekly assignment. That's the last thing you have to do. Okay, so please watch the couple videos that go with this, guys.